Today we're going to do about slime today, like this. Okay, so first let me open it like this. And then we're about to put many things in it, like a lot of things. And then we're about to put like slime in it, like balls, with these kind of stuff, glitter. Like a lot of stuff like this, and a lot of stuff like around shapes, and some more glitter, and some beads, some more beads, and I don't know what these are. Like these, I don't know what these are, but I found more balls. I have like fruits and beads, and I have more of these stuff. I have green, pink, and blue, and I'm gonna show you all the colors and all that stuff, okay? So this one's red, this one's blue, this one's purple, and this one's white, this one's blue, and this one's pink. And this one's yellowish, like pea, and this one like orangish, and this one's like pinkish. No, this one's like pinkish, like this, and this. Okay. I got orange that I already played with, like this. And I have green. I'm just stacking these down if it's fine if you wait a little bit today. Okay, so we have like a little pinkish purple, and then we have a little bit of like bluish, if you didn't see it. We have a little bit of yellow, and this hand we have a little bit of blue, and we have a little bit of the same colors, and we have a little bit more white. We have a little more blue, and then these are all the colors on my slime. But do you want me to see to put all these things in? Glitter. Duh. Okay, and which one should I use, guys? You pick in the comments. Well, I'm gonna go with like, I'm gonna go with red. Red right here. Yep, this is red. Once I open it, look at all nice and good slime like this. Look, I made a bubble. And then once I bring it open, it's so cool to play with, like, so cool. And we're gonna put like, we're gonna put these in right here. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, and then once we mix it up and all that stuff. Oh shit. After finishing, it's pretty good slime, but it's like a little bit messy because I had to clean it up a little bit. And guys, if you hit the like and subscribe button, that would be helpful for my YouTube video. Thank you so much. And just a short video. Sorry, it doesn't say like and subscribe. So we got to put like bam, like a lot of good stuff in, like. Okay. Like this. Look it like that. Take it out. Look it. It's oopsie daisy. Put that back. Which one should I use next? I'm gonna use this. Probably not. I can't glitter. Should I get glitter? Yeah, I'm gonna glitter. Which color should I do? I'm gonna do red because it's no. I'm gonna do green. And today we're gonna do a lot of good stuff, like opening everything like this. And I'm gonna do a lot. And we're gonna make shapes like crap. And guys, we are gonna do a good video today. And then we're gonna do, oh I see. We're gonna do a really good video today that's better than an asshole. Asshole. We use blue actually. We use blue. Use a little bit glitter. Trying to open it. Okay, I'm opening it. This. Sorry guys, but I can't do it. Only with my dad's around, like around like this, like right there, out of the video. But sorry, I can't do it. But I'm gonna do different stuff. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Let's do it. Okay, I'm just trying to open it. It's just not that hard. Okay, got it. Okay, it's in. Put like a couple like that. Okay. Dad.
Yeah.
And we're gonna, it's been 8 minutes and 47 seconds. We're gonna do next, at the end, thank you Dad, by the way, he's right there. Say welcome.
Welcome, welcome, buddy.
Okay, look at, got it, here you go. Make a little bit, let me just put it up a little bit. We're gonna mush it up like red. Thank you, Dad, by the way. Mind if you get in the video real quick? Come on. Say hello to my dad right here.
Hi guys, I'm Aiden's dad. Peace.
And we're gonna probably, what should we do? I think we should do this. Do you think we should do that? Let's do that. But I'm pretty sure. what the fuck? Okay, sorry, I'm seeing what the and just make it up. And I'm gonna give you a house tour too. Okay, and then after that, I think we're gonna do a house tour now. Okay, and I'll be right back to you soon. Now I'm gonna give them a house tour. Okay, so this is our house. This is our living room right here. This is our living room right here. Sorry, so messy and all that stuff. And right here's the kitchen table. This is where the slime setup is. This is where I play soccer and all that stuff. And these are my book bags. I'll tell you room tours of my room. These are the bathroom where the shower is. And this is my room, duh. And I'm gonna do like right here, like over here. And I got some Pokemon that I can show you. And I'm gonna go back to my slime, okay? That's all my honest tours I can give to you. Did you just see that, guys? I think that was Michael Myers. But get back to the slime, okay? Okay, we're gonna like open this again. Sorry it took like a couple minutes. I was over there. That's my living. That's my pictures over there. And people and kids and adults, whoever's watching this, please say Aiden's the best. Okay, and then we do that. Oopsie daisy. And then we got some little bit of slime. I think it's time to do the shapes, and we're gonna end the video. At least like in 20 minutes. No, like 18 minutes. No, 8 minutes. Okay, because it's like time's running out, and I have to go to my soccer game and all that stuff. But got a crab if you want me to use it. I'll clean this up after Dad, sorry. My dad said don't make a mess, so I do not give a crap. Shit. Assassino, Golucino. Sorry guys, but Assassino, Golucino. You know what? It's really brain rot. But yeah, you know one? If you do, that would be cool, because my favorite one is a monkey one with the monkey one. Assassino, and then look at, I'll show you in a couple minutes. Really carve it out. I'm carving it out. It'll fine if you just wait a couple minutes because I'm carving it out. This is all the slime. It's stretchy, but I can't stretch it that far, then it'll break. Come on, man. This is me, blah 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 blah. Man, yo, dancing. And guys, I'm just taking out there until I'll tell you once I'm finished. Tell you, but pinky promise. Not done. Just let me just get like a couple more minutes. I only have 6 more minutes until I have to end the video and get my soccer practice. Sorry, I have my Portugal shirt on. Let's go Portugal. Okay, let's do that. I think it's time to reveal it. Look at. It's a crab. It's a crab. Well, thank you for having me, people and children. Thank you really much for having me. So much for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Stay wild.